Here's a review on NextCloud. NextCloud regain control over your data. You can actually access it on Safari, Google, or Chrome. It is very accessible to any device that you have. However, you can only install this if you're having any Apple devices. So, if your device is Android, NextCloud cannot be actually used. As you can see, this is a Watch Hub 25 minimum, which means you can store unlimited files. So you can go ahead and back up your files here if you don't want to use the iCloud itself. There is also a download server where you can go ahead and download the NextCloud from its own website. It is also a premise on the cloud. As you can see, there is an instant trial where you don't have to avail a premium account since it will give you a 1 week of free to test if you're willing to actually avail the NextCloud. You can actually have no problem when contacting them because they are easy to contact with. So, if you want a more accessible account to back up your files, NextCloud is the great one for you.